Have you ever wanted to create a project, wanted to create an app application, an Android application, an iOS application, or maybe you want to create a website, you want to create a website, you want to create a PC app, or you want to create a back-end project, you want to create AI project, cyber security stuffs, any single thing, but it requires coding and you have to stop along the way because you're not a developer and you feel you don't know any language like Python, JavaScript, and other language out there. Because let's be real, learning how to code is actually hard. People try to sugarcoat it for you, but it's hard. We both know that it's hard, Joe. So yeah, I've actually wanted to do all these things, but you don't know you face an obstacle because you're not a developer, or maybe you have actually wanted to upload apps on Play Store and App Store and make money off with those apps, but you don't know how to do it. Like you're not a developer, the part that you're not a developer is always stopping you. You'll be like, I can't go through with this shit because I'm not a developer. Well, that was often the problem a decade ago. Would I say, um, in 2021, 2022, going backward, that was the problem. But you're actually looking at the solution to your problem. This tutorial or this course you're looking at is actually the full stop to your problem of I want to do this stuff, but I'm not a coder. Because in this course, I'm going to actually show you how to vibe code any application. The keyword there, any application. When I talk about any application, we don't talk about only Android apps. We don't talk about only iOS apps. We talk any single application you have in mind. Like my portfolio is there, man. You can check my application. I actually do more on back end. I have back end application. I create AI waifus for clients, data and encryption, which is pure back end. An application that has something to do with connecting 3D models, rigging actually code. It's not actually easy. So I have to do those ones AI. I actually created AI trading bots that actually trade. Not the generic bot you see online that is not AI. It's just some kind of whack logic and they sell it to you and you pay for it. This one is actual models, actual trainable models that actually trade for you, make decisions using statistics. We you have the gradients, random forest, gradient boost and all like actual MLs, models, AI models that actually think over, take the inputs from the, I don't know, current trade or current charts, iterate and think over the analytics or the algorithm on the parameters that they got and actually spits out a trade you have to execute and at the particular point in time. An AI model that actually support liquidity switch and stuff. And I also go into details of the AI model that trades. You basically understand what I'm saying. It's basically an AI brain that actually trades. What the generic bot they keep saying on Facebook. The scam is everywhere. That is actually it's everywhere. So imagine you have your own AI that actually trades for you, and you are the one that built it from scratch. You know how it works, and it doesn't actually. It's not a static AI. It actually refreshes its database with new data of trading and actually makes itself better every day. Meaning that every day you keep using the model is better than yesterday. So you can use AI to actually do this. All these stuff are in my file, in my portfolio. I'm not here to actually tell you, yeah, I do this, I don't do this shit. So let's go to the meat of the whole stuff, making applications with AI and making money because at the end of the day, the end point is to make money. It's not to just keep doing and keep moving on. Or somebody gives a shit. People here that is building, they don't give a shit about what you build. I like to make money out of it, right? So that's the aim of this course. So I already have like eight applications on Play Store, and it's making me a minimum, like in the bad mode, like the month is bad. I didn't get sign-ups and stuff like that. I get 6 grand. 6 grand, bro. My God, I don't know. I don't know how to explain this to you, bro. 6 grand. I didn't actually multiply it well. Just like I'm having so many ideas I do. I have that's why I even have up to that amount of application. So but I have so many ideas to implement and I put it there. You don't even need as much application as I need. You just take one application that you laser focused and coded and you keep pushing the application. Right? You don't need like multiple applications like I do. Let's just say I actually have multiple ideas. That's why I decided to have multiple applications. So if you are here for that and you actually wanted to do that at some point and we are like, I can't do this shit because I don't know React Native, I don't know Flutter, I don't know Kotlin. These things are just languages for mobile development. You don't need to know it this time around. You are in 2026. So the part of you are not a coder, I cannot write softwares, I cannot code, I don't have time to learn what to code, blah blah blah. Just being that idea, being it is over. It's not going to work now because what you have now is in your own hands. You have the AI models to do this shit. They are ready to do it for you. They don't sleep. Human beings sleep. These models don't sleep. They're around the clock. They're all on the clock. You're not needing things, man. They will code for you and your own is to publish and relax and make the money, right? I'm going to show you the step by step you need to code something from scratch, from ground zero. What I mean ground zero, it's 0.00. Like you have nothing um based on code. Like you have no code written down, but I'll show you how to start from 0.00 from the research phase. You start researching your app to the files you have to create and to the final deployment of your app, like when you have a complete app. Let's jump into my PC and get started on how to actually bytecode an app or any application from the ground zero to finishing phase.